Hello students, Sai Ram. I'm Sangeeta Ambedkar, your SS teacher. Today we are going to learn Evs1, and in Evs1 there are two parts, science and geography. And I'm going to teach you geography first chapter, our earth and our solar system. Yes students, just see at this picture. What is this picture about? Yes, stars. Stars. Some stars are prominent while some are tiny. Prominent means important or famous. They are heavenly bodies that can twinkle. Heavenly bodies means objects which are visible in sky. All the stars have their own light. For example, the sun is a star. Next, planets. What are planets now? Yes, heavenly bodies that cannot twinkle are called planets. Stars have their own light, so they twinkle, but planets cannot twinkle because they don't have their own light. The next, they get light from the stars. Planets revolve around a star even as they rotate around themselves. Now the next is the solar system. What is the solar system? Sun is the closest star to the Earth. Sun, which is a star, and the planets that revolves around it are together form the solar system. Beside Earth, there are 7 other planets. They revolve around the Sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Next point. Satellites, dwarf planets, and asteroids are also part of our solar system. Means, besides the planets, the solar system also includes those heavenly bodies. Yes, students, look at a diagram of our solar system. In it, you see the sun in the center, the heavenly bodies that revolves around it, their orbits, the planets, satellites, dwarf planets, and the asteroid are all part of the solar system. Please note, students, that only the Earth's satellite is shown in it. Next, 8 planets. Which are they? Yes, right. Just now we have seen. Which are they? Mercury, then Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the 8 planets in our solar system. Now we will study the 8 planets in detail. First planet is Mercury. Mercury is the first planet from the Sun. It is closest to the Earth. It is smallest and innermost planet in the solar system. Its orbit around the Sun takes 88 days. Orbit means revolves. It revolves around the Sun in 88 days. Students, it is the shortest of all planets in the solar system. It is named after the Roman deity Mercury, the messenger of God. Yes, the next one is Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is the brightest and the hottest planet. Its orbit around the Sun takes 225 days. This is a picture of Venus. Venus is a terrestrial planet and is sometimes called Earth's sister planet because of their similar size, mass, proximity to Sun and bulk composition. It is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. Yes, students, the next one is Earth. You know Earth? Yes. Earth is the third planet. It has one satellite. Satellite means moon. Its orbit around the Sun takes 365 days, means 1 year. See the picture of Earth. Our Earth is a planet. It gets light from the Sun. It moves around the Sun. Its movement around the Sun is called the revolution of the Earth. Now the next one, Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is the reddish planet. It has 2 satellites, means 2 moons. Its orbit around the Sun takes 1.88 years. Orbit means, I told you, revolves around the Sun in 1.88 years. 1.88 years means 687 days of Earth. This is the picture of Mars. Mars is the second smallest planet in the solar system. After Mercury, Mars carries the name of Roman god of war and is often referred to as the red planet. Next, Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun. It is bigger yellowish planet. It has 64 satellites. 64 satellite means 64 moons. Its orbit around the sun takes 11.87 years. Means it revolves around the sun in 4,330 days. This is a picture of Jupiter. It is the first largest planet in the solar system. It is named after the Roman god Jupiter. Next, Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun. We can see its ring through telescope. It has 33 satellites, means 33 moons. Its orbit around the sun takes 29 years. Now, see this picture of Saturn. It is the second largest planet in the solar system after Jupiter. Next. Yes, students, next is Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun. It can be seen only through the telescope. Now, what is telescope? Yes, students, telescope is an instrument in the shape of a tube with a special piece of glass. Inside it, you look through it to make things that are far away appear bigger and nearer. It has 27 satellites. 27 satellites means 27 moons. Its orbit around the sun takes 84 years. This is the picture of Uranus. It is the third largest planet in the solar system. Next, Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the sun. It has 13 satellites, means 13 moons. 13 moons. Its orbit around the sun takes 164 years. How many years? 164 years. 164 years. Yes. See the picture of Neptune. It is the fourth largest planet in the solar system. Yes. Did you understood the 8 planets? Yes. Now, next, orbit. Now, students, what is orbit? Yes, the specific path in which every planet moves around the sun in the solar system is called the orbit of that particular planet. Now specific means, yes, exact or particular path. Means it goes on the same path. Yes students, the next is satellites. What are satellites? Yes, heavenly bodies that revolves around the planets are called satellites. Satellite to receive light from the sun. The moon is the satellite of Earth. Many other planets of our solar system also have satellites. This is the picture of moon, which is the satellite of our Earth. Yes, you understood, students? Next is dwarf planets. Smaller heavenly bodies revolving around the sun are called dwarf planets. Smaller heavenly bodies means smaller objects in the sky which are revolving around the sun are called dwarf planet. Dwarf planets revolve independently around the sun in their own orbits, means in their own path. Pluto is a well-known dwarf planet. See, this is the picture of Pluto. This is a dwarf planet. Now next is asteroids. What are asteroids? Yes, asteroid means a band of numerous small heavenly bodies between Mars and Jupiter is called the belt of asteroids. Yes, I will show you the picture, means it will be clear. Asteroid 2 revolves around the sun. See, this is the picture, you can see. So I will show you one more. Yes, this is the asteroid. See, from near how it is seen, how it looks. Yes. Yes students, I hope so you understood what we have learnt. I have shown you many pictures to get the ideas of the planets. Yes, let's do the recap now. What we have learned today. We have learned stars, planets, the solar system, then 8 planets, orbit, satellites, then dwarf planets and asteroids. Yes students, now we will stop here and let's meet in the next period of EVS1. Till then, Sai Ram. Thank you.